Hello mates, in this video we are going to do awesome photo editing in mobile. Let's do it. So first we will do the light adjustments. We will increase the exposure, contrast and lower the highlights. After decreasing the highlights, we will do shadows. What we have to do with shadows is we will increase the shadows, also the whites and the blacks. So this was the light tool. In this tool we can adjust the light of the photo, the shadow, the whites, the blacks, etc. Now this tool is called color tool. In this tool we can increase the saturation of the colors in the photo. So we will add some vibrance and saturation in this pic. After doing this, we will go to the mix tool, where you can change the colors separately. And also you can change their saturation, luminance and hue. So we will go to the green button and increase the saturation and hue minus 100, luminance around plus 10, and yellow also hue minus 100 and saturation plus 100. Also we will increase luminance for this. Also doing this, we will go to another button and we will decrease the saturation because it is the color of the face. We don't want the face to be really colorful. So we will decrease the saturation and increase the luminance, which in result will increase the light on the face. So after doing this, we will go to the sky color, that is blue, and we will decrease the hue and increase the saturation. Also we will decrease the luminance a little bit so the sky looks awesome. After doing this, we will go to the profiles tool and tap on the profiles. After tapping on profiles, we will go to the artistic and select artistic theme. This is my favorite profile in Lightroom mobile. So after doing this, we will adjust it. We will put it around 139 so it looks awesome. Now after doing this, the face is looking so red, so it is not good for our pic. So we will go to the curves to adjust the face light. Now we will tap on the red button and tap on the middle of the line. Then we will decrease the highlights, red highlights on the face, so our face doesn't look really red. So after doing this, you can see how our pic has become. Our pic is become very great. So after doing this, I will decrease more saturation of this color so that the face doesn't look very red. Great. You can see the before and the after. Now we will add the clarity to this pic. What we have to do is we will decrease the texture and increase the clarity around 60, and we will increase the dehaze and the vignette, etc. After doing this, we will go to the selective tool and select our model. After selecting on the model, we will long press on the middle of the dot and tap on invert radial gradient. After doing that, we will increase the highlights of the background. No, we will decrease the highlights of the background. After doing this, we will increase the blacks and contrast, I guess, around 8. So you can see our background looks a bit blurred with great clarity. So this is the final result. As you can see, the clarity, the colors, etc. It's looking fabulous. So Hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon and never miss any update from this channel. I will bring really cool